everybody, welcome to this channel. Now we will learn about wheelie. Stop. Hey, then stop. Okay, first you have to know. Okay, first you have to put your gear into the lightest gear, first gear, and the first gear too. Okay, now you have to do is you have to Vin, camera Vin. Okay, I will take this camera to Orvin. Vin. Pegang, stop. Pegang, kita tadi. Benar, jangan berusaha mau. First, before wheelie, you have to put your pedal here, right here. Or if you lefty, put the pedal here. Put the number one gear, and you have to do is wait until the slowest speed of your bike, and you have to push your pedal and do what? You have to pull the handlebar like this at one same time, like this. Can I see? Like this. Okay, that is the wheel. So we have to do the theory. And when you're wheeling, there just one side of here, and you have to do is make it balance, yeah? Your right and your left. It's okay. Up again. I'm sorry. My cameraman is falling down. Hey, it's okay. Hey, Arvin, it's okay. Hey. Oh, I think she's okay. No. Okay. It's wheelie and wheelie. Go there and there. Are you okay? Huh? Vin. Sebentar. Ini lagi terakhir. Okay, we have to practice. We have to practice and here. Okay, I will wheeling in 5 times. There, please. Can you? Sini, Vin. Hey, jangan dicium. Vin. Set it to your speed. Yo, yeah. And this is hey. Yo, what's up? Yeah. See that? Thank you. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Here. Thank you, and like this video. Comments below for the other bike tricks. Thank you, and bye bye.